Hey, my friends, Garoga, um, the beach of Toba, North Sumatra, Indonesia. So beautiful place. Can see that the scenery, the places. Wow, very nice. Yeah. Many tourists come to see the beautiful place and spending the whole weekend in this place, especially in the evening. It's very nice. Yeah, this is the place, right, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Please do come to this place, and you can feel it, the taste. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Over there is the island of Samosir. Thank you very much to come to my VT. Don't forget to conduct, follow, like, comment, saling tautan, favoritkan, send and sharekan, put into the story and send and share to at least 5 people or groups of TikTok. Good day, have nice day, bye bye, have nice weekend too from Lake Toba.